After more than a year of use, this is by far my most favorite action camera. I love GoPro and other action cameras like Osmo Action, but I use the Insta360 Go more. It's better in many ways, and let me tell you why. First, what is this white jumbo Tylenol? It comes with a charging case and some mounting accessories. This one that lets you mount it to your chest, this one for your hat, this one you can stick to any flat surface, this one's called a pivot mount. The device itself is magnetic on the back, so it'll stick to any metal on its own. It has one button on the back that starts the recording. You can get it pressed from the front. It's water resistant. It records 15, 30, or 60 seconds at a time. It cannot do continuous recording, but that's a good thing. I'll tell you why in a second. It can also do hyperlapse, slow-mo, or just take a picture. The video quality is watchable at 1080p, but it's not the best, especially at night, though it's not the worst either. And like I said, you can only record up to 60-second clips at a time. So why is that good? Well, does this look familiar? Or this? Are you the designated videographer on trips when you'd rather just enjoy the experience? Managing equipment is not fun. Worrying about how to transport the cameras, how to mount it, when to start the recording, when to stop it, it's frankly often exhausting. This is your key to freedom. It allows you to be present in the moment instead of constantly worrying about the shot. I don't have a phone or camera between my face and the activity, and I don't worry about, did I get the shot? Should I stop recording now or give it a few more seconds? When you're hiking, playing with your kids, or whatever else, you don't need to record the event in its entirety. There are magical moments you can capture and move on with your life. There's no screen to criticize the angle, but the wide-angle lens ensures you'll catch everything. It's so small and light, you don't feel it. Being magnetic, you can freely take it on or off and control the angle easily. Another reason it's my favorite is both my hands are free. This is crucial when you're with kids, carrying stuff, pushing stuff, tying stuff, playing stuff. Now I know what you're thinking. Can't you go hands-free with a GoPro? But dude, look at you, now look at me.
Look at you, now look at me.
Flow state is a feature that allows your shots to look really stable and smooth even when you're not. You can rotate at any angle and it'll keep the shot level. The size of it also lets you get some creative shots like mounting it to a kite. Put it back in the case to recharge it, just like AirPods. You can connect it to your phone to watch or download the clips. The app has decent editing features, by the way. As far as downsides, it's small and has small parts, so you'll probably lose stuff. Magnetic mount is pretty strong, but means you can and will accidentally knock it off yourself sometimes. Internal storage only lets you capture around 22 full-minute clips, though you can transfer them to your phone anytime pretty easily. Battery lasts for around 200 minutes, so not bad but not great. It can be hard to press the button from the front sometimes. But despite all that, this has let me capture some great memories I wouldn't have gotten with any other camera, and while letting me enjoy what I was doing. Since it was a year and a half ago when they launched, I suspect they may come out with a V2 soon, but the V1 is still a champ and still totally worth it. This has been a quick review of the Insta360 Go. If you don't got time for lengthy tech reviews, subscribe and catch future videos and yada yada yada. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.